Hello dear Virgos, welcome back to my channel, and this is your March first week's exclusive love reading. So if you are in a relationship, situationship or marriage, this reading is for you. If your sun, moon or rising sign, any sign is Virgos. If you're looking for a business, money or career related reading, that's already uploaded on my channel. Love is also included. That's March monthly reading. Okay, so go check it out on my videos section. Let's begin. Let's see how your first week in love is going to be. You've got the Four of Swords and the Temperance card, and you've got the Nine of Stars and the Emperor card. Wow, it rhymed. To all those who are in a no contact situation, I do see your energies changing. You want to give love to your partner, protect them or gift them, or you want to invest a lot of time and effort in it. You are ready now, and I do see a reconciliation happening for you very soon. I also see a lot of balance will be coming back into your life because you have been very sad because of this. The cards are also asking you to adapt to the situation, as in compromise a bit and see how to take things forward, because if something that did not work for you in the past, the chances are it won't work again. So try to come up with better solutions whenever you guys get into a fight. To others of those who have gone into a no contact or ended the relationship completely because your parents did not agree for your marriage, this could be a Cancer or Gemini Sun Moon Rising, or you could have a Gemini or Cancer Sun Moon Rising in your chart. The cards are asking you specifically, you guys, to listen to your family. I do see an influence of a father figure, brother, head of the family in this situation who's stopping you from going forward with this relationship or marriage. This person might come across as very angry, aggressive, or strict as well, or very controlling. But the cards are saying they actually mean well. They want to protect you, they want to take care of you, and they want that you choose a better partner or a better future for yourself. And they're afraid that you're not making the right choice. So, all those of you who have gone into a breakup because your family did not agree, of because of the father figure, please listen to them. And the others of those who have gone into a no contact situation because of your own fight, I do see a reconciliation for you. Okay, so this is a very different, very specific messages to you guys. So please listen to it. If you guys resonated with it and to what situation, please comment and let me know. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you still have any questions, my readings are very cheap, very minimal, very budgeted. My lowest, cheapest price is 170 rupees and highest is 1000 something. So it's not expensive at all. If you have questions, if you want to know, channel your partner's current feelings, or if you want to book any blockage removal ritual, please, you can always contact me. Email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com or Instagram me as well at the Moksha Tarot. Please do not forget to follow me on Instagram because I post all the updates over there. Every new launch, every new video or service that I'm going to upload here. Alright? So please take care of yourself. I will see you soon. Bye bye.